Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is an Electrolux Energysaver 8kg. I think it's a heat pump tumble dryer. It has HP written here, you see. EDH3284PDW. First things first, there's a filter in here. If I open this up, it should click, but it's broken at the bottom. It's not too bad. It's been cleaned fairly regularly, I'd say. So let's get that lint out of here. If this was my own, I would wash this under a tap and give it a proper scrub just so that it looks presentable. It should have a weld on the bottom, which is a bit troubling. If it was mine, I would fix that somehow. You could, in the past what I've done is I've used little bits of rubber from bicycle inner tubes to make little straps to hold it together as a little hinge. You could always buy a new one as well. Looking down in here, you can see it's pretty dusty in here. There's a good bit of lint all around. That doesn't really matter, but we don't really want any lint getting down here. It shouldn't come past that screen. So let's open up this door here, pull this latch over, open that up. It's a bit dirty. There's a latch here as well, or a lock. Turn that to the left. This opens down. Then in here there's a little drawer, and it's full of lint. Now that lint I've been at earlier on, but I didn't clean it out, so I'm saving the privilege for you. I think this can pop off here so that you can get in. I think it makes it much easier, really. You can clean all that off and get rid of it. Sometimes you can do quite a satisfying job of opening these and peeling it all out. And this is quite well stuck on, so if there's this much fluff down here, really this thing's not going to perform very economically, but whatever. It's not my machine. In this case, it's in a holiday let where caution is thrown to the wind in terms of the environment, I presume. So that really does need a wash under a tap, but there you go. That's a lot better. Then looking in here, you can see there's some fluff all around the sides, but nothing has gotten past the screen, which is a good sign. And then in the bottom, finally, there's a little trap filter there. A little bit of dust on it. Now this isn't meant to filter air. This is just meant to filter the dust off to stop fluff getting in below. And there isn't really any fluff in there. It's just kind of slime. So that's okay. That really needs a wash under the tap. If it was me, I would go around here with a cloth, but I'm not in a position to do that right now. Just doing it from your interest, really, to show you how to do it. So get as much of that dust out of there as you possibly can. I would wash it all, but so it is. It's cleaner than it was, which is always a start. That only fits down one way, but it fits down snug and tight. Let's get the rest of that lint off. So what happens here is any water that's condensing out in front of this element goes down through this gap to a pump at the back, up to the water drawer, which is up here. Then let's snap this shut, put this back in, this way, no, this way. It kind of hooks up and in and down. You can't put the filter in, you can't put this little bit in here. You can't put this one in if the filter's in position, because as you'll see now, it hangs down in the way here. Then you close this door and lock it. You close that door and snap it shut. Job's a good one. Any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.